This Toyota has spent decades building a reputation as the undisputed leader in hybrid technology. From the moment the Prius reshaped the automotive landscape, the company positioned itself as the brand that understood efficiency better than anyone else. But recently, something has shifted. Quietly, but unmistakably, Toyota has begun acknowledging limitations and challenges surrounding its widely used 2.5L hybrid system. This isn't a scandal or a failure in the traditional sense. It's something more nuanced and arguably more important. It's a confession that reveals how even the most refined hybrid systems face trade-offs, compromises, and evolving expectations in today's automotive world. If you're a buyer, enthusiast, or someone following the future of electrification, this is not something you can ignore. The 2.5 hybrid, Toyota's core powertrain. Toyota's 2.5L hybrid system has become the backbone of its modern lineup. You'll find it in vehicles like the Camry Hybrid, RAV4 Hybrid, Highlander Hybrid, and even newer models across global markets. It combines a naturally aspirated 2.5L four-cylinder engine with electric motors and a battery pack, typically paired with an ECVT, electronic continuously variable transmission. On paper, it's nearly perfect. Strong fuel efficiency, proven reliability, smooth driving experience, lower emissions. For years, this system has been seen as the gold standard in hybrid engineering. Unlike plug-in hybrids or full EVs, it doesn't require charging infrastructure. It just works. And that simplicity has been a huge part of Toyota's success. But beneath that success, Toyota engineers have begun to admit something important. The system is not without compromises. The confession: efficiency comes at a cost. Toyota's hybrid philosophy has always prioritized efficiency above all else. And that's exactly where the first major admission comes in. Performance trade-offs. 1. Power versus efficiency balance. The 2.5 hybrid system is tuned primarily for fuel economy, not excitement. While combined horsepower figures may look respectable, real-world performance can feel underwhelming in certain situations. Experts point out acceleration can feel delayed due to ECVT behavior. Engine noise under load is often disconnected from speed. High-speed passing power isn't as strong as turbocharged competitors. Toyota engineers have indirectly acknowledged that pushing efficiency to its limits means sacrificing the kind of responsiveness modern drivers expect. This becomes especially noticeable when compared to turbocharged engines from competitors, which deliver immediate torque and a more engaging driving feel. 2. The ECVT reality. Toyota's ECVT is incredibly reliable, arguably one of the most durable transmission systems ever produced. But it also introduces a driving characteristic that many people still dislike. The so-called rubber band effect remains a point of criticism. Engine revs spike before speed catches up. Driving feel can seem artificial. Lack of gear shifts reduces driver engagement. Toyota has improved this over the years with simulated gear steps and better tuning. But the fundamental nature of ECVT hasn't changed. Industry analysts suggest that Toyota knows this is a compromise. The ECVT is chosen not because it's the most exciting option, but because it's the most efficient and reliable. 3. Weight and complexity. Hybrid systems are inherently more complex than traditional gasoline engines. The 2.5 hybrid setup includes electric motors, power control units, battery packs, and cooling systems. This adds weight, and weight affects handling, braking performance, and tire wear. Toyota has worked hard to minimize these drawbacks, but experts note that hybrids still carry a penalty compared to lighter gasoline-only vehicles. In larger vehicles like SUVs, this weight becomes even more noticeable. The reliability question: still strong, but not untouchable. Toyota hybrids have long been considered bulletproof, and for the most part, that reputation still holds. However, recent discussions among engineers and analysts reveal that no system is completely immune to long-term challenges. Battery degradation. While Toyota's hybrid batteries are designed to last for years, they do degrade over time. Factors include climate conditions, driving habits, and charge cycles. Toyota's confidence in battery longevity is high, but experts acknowledge that replacement costs, while rare, can be significant. Cooling system demands. Hybrid systems rely heavily on thermal management. The battery, inverter, and motors all generate heat. This introduces potential long-term concerns. Cooling system wear. reduced efficiency if temperatures rise, and maintenance complexity compared to traditional engines. Toyota has engineered robust systems, but the added complexity means more components that must perform flawlessly over time. Toyota's continued investment in hybrids suggests they still see value, but their messaging is evolving. Competition is catching up. For years, Toyota dominated hybrid technology. That advantage is shrinking. Competitors are introducing more powerful hybrid systems, plug-in hybrids with longer electric ranges, and fully electric vehicles with improved infrastructure support. This puts pressure on Toyota's 2.5 hybrid system, which now has to compete not just on efficiency, but on performance, refinement, and future relevance. Why this matters for buyers. Toyota's confession isn't a warning to avoid hybrids. It's a reality check. You should choose it if you prioritize reliability above all else. You drive mostly in urban environments. You want consistent, predictable efficiency, and you value proven technology over cutting-edge innovation. You might want to think twice if you expect sporty performance. You do mostly highway driving, you want the latest electrification tech, or you prefer a more engaging driving experience. Experts stress that understanding these trade-offs is crucial. The 2.5 hybrid system is excellent, but only when it matches your driving needs. Expert insight. The bigger picture. Automotive engineers and industry analysts agree on one key point. Toyota's 2.5 hybrid system represents a peak in traditional hybrid design, but also highlights its limits. Insight 1. Engineering perfection has boundaries. Toyota has refined the system to an extraordinary level, but even the best engineering cannot eliminate fundamental trade-offs. Efficiency, performance, cost, and complexity are always in tension. Insight 2. Consumer expectations are changing. Today's buyers expect instant torque like EVs, seamless performance, silent operation, and high-tech features. Hybrids meet some of these expectations, but not all. Insight 3. The future is uncertain, but clear. While hybrids will remain relevant for years, the long-term direction is clear. Increased electrification, more plug-in solutions, and eventual transition to full EVs. Toyota's hybrid systems are evolving, but they are no longer the final answer. The bottom line. Toyota's 2.5 hybrid system is still one of the most reliable, efficient, and well-engineered powertrains available today. That hasn't changed. What has changed is the conversation around it. The confession isn't about failure. It's about transparency. It's Toyota acknowledging that even their best hybrid system comes with compromises. Efficiency over excitement, reliability over innovation, practicality over performance. And in today's rapidly evolving automotive landscape, those trade-offs matter more than ever. If you understand what the 2.5 hybrid is and what it isn't, it remains an excellent choice. But if you ignore these realities, you risk expecting something it was never designed to deliver. That's why this moment matters. Because for the first time in years, Toyota isn't just telling you what their hybrid system does well. They're quietly reminding you what it doesn't. And that's something you simply can't afford to ignore.